In this video, I'm going to show you how we can enter and exit the fastboot mode on POCO F7. To go to the fastboot mode, first of all, we need to press the power button and volume up button so that we can open the power menu, and we need to turn off our device, like so. Wait for the phone to completely turn off. And once that happens, we're going to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So let's do this. Let's press and hold these two buttons and just keep holding until you see the fastboot. There we go. So as you can see, now we are in the fastboot mode. In order to exit the fastboot mode, we need to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until this text disappears. So just keep holding this power button, and soon after that, the fastboot text should be gone from the screen. There we go. After that, we can release the power button and our phone will reboot. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.